All right, today I have a Volvo V60 and I'm going to show you how to turn on and off the parking brake on this particular vehicle. But before we get started, you give me a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel if you like my content. If you don't like my content, I guess you don't have to subscribe, but I'd like you to. All right, so let's get started. So I'm sitting behind the steering wheel of the vehicle, all right? And I am going to check to see, let me make sure my vehicle's in park. Great, it's in park. What I'm gonna do now is I'm going to press down on the brake, all right? And once I press down on the brake, I'm gonna look to the left-hand side. And you see this right here? This is the parking brake switch right here. It says push to lock, pull to release, all right? So with my foot on the brake, I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna push it, and the parking brake is engaged. And you can see right here, on the instrument panel, it says park. That means the parking brake is engaged. Now to disengage it, to turn it off, I am gonna come back here, park, the car is still in park. My foot is on the brake, all right? And then I'm gonna come back over here and I'm going to pull it and it disengages, all right? Now that's one way of turning on and off the parking brake. There may be others, but check your owner's manual before you do it. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks a lot for watching.